Hello everyone and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Hemant and now we are discussing about the cutoff marks of the Combined Defense Services Examination, especially for the Officers Training Academy course. Okay, so before beginning, I would like to reiterate regarding the examination pattern of the CDS OTA. The examination is an offline examination conducted by the Union Public Service Commission twice a year, and CDS OTA paper consists of two important papers, and that include the first paper of English and the second paper is of general knowledge, which carry their codes as 01 and 02 respectively. Both the papers are of 2 hours of duration and each paper carries of around 100 marks, making the total marks of the CDS OTA of 200 marks. You have to always remember that the basic cutoff regarding both of the papers is that you have to score around 20 marks in each paper. That means it includes the 20% marks in each paper. Only if you score 20% marks in each of the English and the general knowledge paper, only then your name will be taken into consideration regarding the list of the recommended candidates for the SSB interview. Also make it sure that it doesn't mean that your name will be appearing in the list of the candidates recommended for the SSB interview if you cross the 20% in both the papers. Like I always say and I always tell people that, for example, if there are around 1 lakh people who are applying for the CDS OT examination, among them, for example, around 50,000 people have scored more than 20% in both of the papers, it does not mean that all of these 50,000 people are called for the SSB interview. Now let us understand about the official previous year's cutoff marks for the Officers Training Academy's CDS examination. Regarding the CDS exam for the OTA Academy, you have to score very well amount of marks. Here, when I am discussing about the cutoff, I will be discussing two important tabular forms. The first tabular form is about the written result and the second tabular form is about the result after the interview. Now the two important tabular form, the first tabular form, the first important one will be explaining about the last recommended qualified candidate. CDS OTA examination, it carries around 200 marks. This you know, because each paper, there are two papers for you, each paper carries around 100 marks. Whereas the SSB interview, after you have to complete the CDS OTA, if you are recommended for the SSB, then you have to go through this interview procedure. And regarding SSB, you have to score the number of marks in SSB is around 200 marks. So in total, marks of the complete procedure would be 400 marks. So you have to score very well in both important cutoffs. The first cutoff would be around the examination cutoff. That means the cutoff that are required for you to score in the overall 200 marks for the written examination. Whereas the overall cutoff, that means the complete cutoff after the SSB would be around 400. It is important that you maintain a good amount of marks and you cross the cutoff marks even in these 400 marks so that you get a merit listed inside. Okay. So one way, even if you qualify the examination, but even if you get recommended in the SSB, but still if you are not crossing the final cutoff marks in this 400, then you might get merit out. That means you have to again start the process, again you have to write the examination. So there are even candidates who get merit listed out. So you should not get into that particular very pathetic category, but I hope that you get prepared very well. So regarding this one, you have to always remember. And the previous year's cutoff marks, when we are discussing this one, the CDS 2 2019 marks are yet to be released. Once they are released, we will update you regarding that. But if we go through the CDS 1 2019, CDS 2 2018, the number of marks are same for both males and females. That is 78 for both, 80 for both in CDS 2 2018, 69 in CDS 1 2018, 86 in CDS 2 2017. So this way we have to see there is no sort of discrimination or any kind of change between both males or females, but it is very important that you score very well and good. So this is the basic cutoff. When I'm discussing about the cutoff, this is the last recommended candidates marks. Okay. Now I already told you that you have to score 20% in each paper. That is the basic cutoff. But for you to get called, for you to get a call letter for the SSB interview, that means you have to get a minimum amount of 78 marks or around 80 marks in the coming up CDS 2 2020 examination. Okay. I hope that you are getting what I'm telling to you. Going through the final cutoff marks, these are the overall cutoff marks when out of the 400 marks. Regarding CDS 2 2019, these are yet to be released, but we will go through the other important previous years. In CDS 1 2019, the last recommended candidate through the SSB, after going through the SSB procedure, the last recommended person, he scored around 160 out of 400, a male person. And if she's a female, then she scored around 162 marks out of the 400. If we go through the CDS 2018 for males, it would be of around 162, and if you go more down, it would be 154, 167, 163. So it is following a sort of important pattern. It would be around the similar pattern even for the females also. It would be of around from CDS 2018, and if you go much more previous year, it would be of around 163, 150, 171, 164. So even this is following a similar sort of pattern. So it is important that you score around more than 160 or 165 or more than 165 for you to get in a safer and in a better zone. Okay, now let us understand about the expected cutoff marks. The expected cutoff marks for the CDS 2 2020 are discussed here. You have to score around 70 to 100 marks if you are a male person in the examination, the written examination part, and the same amount of marks in the OTA female. But after you getting recommended in the examination, you have to make sure that you score well and good in the SSB also, so that your overall final after interview cutoff marks would be between 150 to 170, even you're male or a female. So it is very important that you maintain these cutoff marks. The 20 marks that I told you, these are the basic cutoff marks. If you score less than 20 marks, then you have to simply clearly it mentions that you are not considered in any other testing procedure further and you have failed in the examination. But you have to score more than 20%. If you score more than 20%, then you can say that you just qualified the examination. But for you to get a call letter for the SSB interview, you have to score 70 to 100 in the written examination part. And in the final after interview cutoff, you have to score around more than 150 to 170, only then you will be in a safer zone. That is how you have to understand and remember. I hope that you completely understood about the important cutoff marks details that I provided to you here. And if there are any more important information, I will be giving you in the furthermore sessions. In the next session, you will be discussing in a many more detailed way about various other interesting points regarding the CDS 2 2020 OTA examination. And I highly request you to download our Android app from Google Play Store. It will be always helpful in your preparation, and our important lecture material will be very, very helpful in your progress. Always stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.